So today I am going to copy Kim Kardashian because I am feeling super ugly after literally crying for a week straight because I was watching 13 Reasons Why. And Kim Kardashian is something that I can dream of. Like, she's everything, she's so beautiful, so we're gonna copy her. Before starting the makeup, can we please talk about that series? It's a OG series. I love it. It incorporates everything. Just let me know if you have seen that or not. I think it's advanced version of Tare Zameen Par, and this is the kind of thing which every age group should watch. And if you are anything sensitive like me, it's going to be one hell of an emotional ride. So I'm ready with all my pimples in my storeroom. Let's get started.
Extra moisturize, even if I've already moisturized.
I have no idea what luxury moisturizer she's using, so I'm using my Cetaphil moisturizer. I loved keeping up with Kardashians too. It's so light and fun, normalizing realistic issues, amazing. And there was this dumb fuck show I used to watch called Dolly Armano Ki way back when I was a kid, ZTV. I tell you just one scene, just one scene.
This is matte kabuki brush.
And I go back to this thing always and forever. So I'll be using this foundation and I'm gonna mix it a little bit with my contour to make a little darker shade.
I love La Mer foundation.
And she's using a La Mer foundation which is of 9,000 plus shipping extra. So definitely we are not gonna do that, we're gonna do this. Coming back to the scene I was talking about, तो जो वाइफ होती है वो बालों की छींटे मार के अपने हस्बैंड को उठाती है. सो द गाय फ्रीक्स आउट विच इज सो नॉर्मल. हस्बैंड को गलत दिखाते हैं, वो कितना गलत. आई मीन आई वुड यू वेक योर हस्बैंड लाइक दिस. लाइक आई एम नॉट टेकिंग साइड्स हियर, बट वो छोटी छोटी बातों को भी इतना बड़ा चढ़ा के दिखाते हैं. And you are not learning anything from it. And imagine young women watching such shows, they will always like go for guys कि ऐसा हो गया ऐसा हो गया, छोटी छोटी बातों को लेकर भी. I think that is so wrong. That's why I'm so done with Indian movies, Indian series. Probably there are some good shows and stuff, but I just don't want to give it a try. I'm done with it, and I'm loving all the Netflix shows and all these things. So this is her eyebrows before and after. I don't see much difference. So I'm gonna do that too with a mascara. And that's black in color, so my eyebrows are also gonna be in black. Now it's kind of similar. I did some mistake here. Let me fix it. Where's foundation on the brush? Now I can say that I'm just brushing my brows and you see, it's done. Let's see what's next. I have 100 reasons in my mind that how this whole makeup thing can go wrong if I try to copy her eyebrows, like the eyebrow shape. So I'm only gonna brush my brows. I'm not sure if I'm using too much concealer or is it her concealer that is way too pigmented. I'm telling you guys, my concealer is not that light. It's just I made my foundation so dark that my concealer is looking so, I don't know, whitish. And I'm just trying to copy her. I'm so desperately want this look to work. I'm using this NYX fixing spray to dampen my sponge because again that is some luxury she's using and I do not have that. And I'm gonna use it to blend my concealer the way she's blending. That is entirely different. Like I have never blended in same place at the same place. I would always drag it to the forehead and stuff like that, but she is just keeping it there only and it's so new to me. I don't know, I think we are really going somewhere with this. Oh my god, I'm looking so funny. So my loose powder is in little yellowish color, but her powder is literally white, like just white. So that's why it's kind of looking different, but okay, let's see where this is going. I'm so terrified. Let's follow, just follow.
After I bake, I do cream contour.
Cream contour, I have this. Just give me a minute. I have seen somewhere. So this is my NY contour, and I'm gonna use that and contour all those places where she applied her KKW stick. Wow, I have never done my contouring so high. I always try to like keep it below, but that is way too high. We are now contouring the lips. Okay, that is something very new for me. I have never done that. Let's see what's next. I look horrible. Like, when are we going to blend this? Okay, she's covering her spot, but I don't have any spot. I'll be putting concealer there too.
You know, I
More
always do the darker
contouring.
color
Why
on
are you
my
not done with
forehead, 'cause
contouring?
I
Oh my god, when are
love
we going to
tiny
blend
little
this?
forehead.
Why are you not contouring nose? Like, my nose is there, begging for me to contour her. Like, why?
So then I go back to the translucent powder to powder my whole face. I kind of like go in a 3 like this, like
She's using so much powder that I think my skin is literally on the verge of dying. My skin is super dry, and because of all this powder, it's just literally dying. It's so patchy, it's so dry. I don't know how is this holiday glam. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but so that yellow loose powder I think was not looking very pleasing. So I'm using this Swiss Beautica powder that is white in color. Now for eyeshadow, she's using some gray color, and I highly doubt that how gray is gonna work. I'm using this color, and I'm using kind of the same technique that she's using. So far it's looking, I think, good and kind of decent, I want to say, but oh god, what is happening? She's using some, I think, highlighter, so I'm gonna use a highlighter, and she's using fingers, so I'm using fingers, but it's not gonna work. So I am doing some of my techniques.
I need my under eyes always smoked.
Before doing this, I think एक weird सी image मेरे mind में आ रही है बिल्कुल ऐसी. I'm super scared, but let's see if it's gonna work for me or not. I have no idea what the fuck she's using, so I have this golden glitter liquidy thing which I'm gonna use on the center of my eyelids, and I think it looks fine. And the closest greenish glittery thing. Now we're gonna curl जितना पास से हो सके. I think last कर्लर से आपकी लैशेस टूट भी सकती हैं, तो आप ज़्यादा प्रेशर डालोगे उस पर तो लैशेस टूट जाएंगी, आपकी लैशेस की लेंथ एकदम आधी हो जाएगी. सो इट्स बेटर कि आप थोड़ा ही प्रेशर डालो उस पर, एंड दैट इज़ वॉट आई एम डूइंग राइट नाउ. I used to layer my mascara back in school and I remember dumb bitches pointing that out कि बहुत ज़्यादा I don't know what's that word they used to say कि अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मस्कारा ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि पता ना चले. But I think the more you layer, ज़्यादा उससे वॉल्यूम लगती है and it looks much better. So if someone is giving you any makeup stupid advice, don't take it unless it's coming from me. Yes, and I'm using this comb to separate my lashes. Apparently this is my lash separator.
Don't trip. This is my Conceal, Bake, and Brighten, and this is the Brighten. It honestly is like the best.
Thank goodness we are removing this powder. My skin is literally like so dry because of all that powder and shit. Of course, we are not done with the powder. Again, a brightening powder. It's just on the same place where it's going cakey and cakey. God bless me. Just God bless my skin. I don't know how she's having those black lines on her hands. I just have that eyeshadow wala mark. Anyway, let's see. Next comes the lipsticks. Okay, let me get my lipsticks. So she's using KKW lipsticks and I am using all the colors that I have closer to that lipstick. And basically she's doing a nude ombre thing. So I'm trying to replicate that. So sheer blush. I think I have one from Wet n Wild, so I'm gonna use that. To be very honest, so far I am shocked because whole makeup thing is looking very different on me. Anyway, I think the eye makeup came out so cool and I didn't know about this grey, green, golden combination. Matlab, literally I had no idea and it's looking so good. Probably you can see some purplish vibes here, but it's really amazing. I love the eye makeup. So after a million years, finally we are doing the nose contouring. I was literally waiting for that. And I think the products that she's using are really blendable and really nice because the products that I am using, they need to, need to be blended well. I'm also mixing two highlighter colors. I'll mention that below in the description. I'm trying to use the same brush that she's using and I think it's looking pretty nice. I think it's a never ending makeup thing going on because we are not done with lips. So I'm using a facial oil as a gloss for my lips. It's a makeup hack. For all the broke bitches out there, give it a try. It really works. Oh my god, so it's done. So that's the whole makeup look. So I'm done. It's your turn now to judge my makeup and do let me know in the comment section if you like it. You guys know that I'm not very good with glitz and stuff and I think this makeup is really bold. My face feels really cakey and very dry, but I think the overall look is fine. Although I have kind of like mixed feelings about this, if I go out, if I do this makeup or not. But I don't know, what do you think? Some more shots and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.